Nhyira TV ewo YouTube handle. We call YouTube handle no so na we Nhyira TV. And answer what search for Nhyira TV. Na so no so nya bia hwe na eno etimi aboya na do comment na dia Bible pem yet making kan nyina dia ma wan se ahodo nyina so na no so etimi aye come on some matches p ho atase ya ma won sam etimi aka Manchester United. We want Chelsea game no beba so entano pay ye be di hu nkoba kaka bra ye matches etoja ewo eye nkrofo amasa no ada kakra timi start here and the German Bundesliga game and no ada etoja no Stuttgart bobo kono any St. Pauli na edition e ade se Stuttgart abo ntenam you know ama St. Pauli omo entimi antentia no and the only game me pato etoja our German Bundesliga na no pe no ye de kakra ede down na ede tede and matches etoja na Osberg omo etna from the men so 5 and edition and son Hamburger SV and some ede hedanium game no ebe trene tie de Hofian we better for many Bayern Munich and they said enough as Werder Bremen we mo any Faber game no and so etma trend we abrekwana chase RB Leipzig community FC Cologne game no and so etmi abaso etna the matches etoja no and transfer from better fie we mo any Union Berlin edition and sana ya baba nya team ne dina de Bayern of Leverkusen we mo and so any Borussia Mönchengladbach game no ebe trend and sana Borussia Dortmund we mo any Wolfsburg game no etma abaso any matches etoja e German Bundesliga na no peno ye dia on kobaka kwa adi adambo na de tenie ade as a league table no Bayern Munich and early after 3 matches we mo 9 points and sana we benya Borussia Dortmund mo our 7 points we mo tosumi no we ba benya FC Cologne we mo tosumi and with 7 points after St. Pauli and so our 7 points we mo tosu 9 and I kobaka kwa so etoja na Sisian Hurricane league ni yasa se be 5 goals and they kwa se hu gudase wonom anso kwa 4 goals we ba benya Brantford din and some adi Andes aya hotonji wono ekwa 3 goals ane dudona and so eka kan Uzan we mo kwa 3-3 ho and team ano ya matches eno etoja awo bato ade se Germany atase ye de onkoba kakra adi adana ye ko Terence Ria na ye din koba kakra lete eno ade omo tenafie amaka Glawe Catio ekobo mo tenam ye no mo timu bako and team ene matches ni bin so betwene eno ye Bologna bobo ko mo tenafie omo ni Genoa and edi se na ya baba nya Haras Voroja wo mo any Juve babo with Niti Catio and some any esima na edi se ne etena da matches betwene na SS Lazio wo mo tenafie omo ni AS Roma and edi se the Cremonese and Parma babo and se na baba nya Torino mo and Atalanta Bergamo mo game no ebetwene ye benya Fiorentina wo mo any Como edi se na fie nya Inter and Sassuolo mo so ebabo Monday Night Football ye benya SS Napoli mo so any Pisa and edi se nti eri matches betoja ewo Terence Ria na omo league no so after 3 matches SS Napoli na LED omo ewo 9 points ye ba benya Juve omo 9 points omo tosumi no miensa ye Cremonese and ye 77 omo ni Udinese and Africa Glawe omo nyina ewo 77 and 6 points and so ekwa AC Milan omo toso eye ensia and so ho Marcus Thuram wo 3 goals ho and sana banta de din editor de Galawi wono so ekwa 2 goals Dusan Vlahovic wono ekwa 2 goals Hakata Noglo wono so kwa 2 goals Nico Pass wono so ekwa 2 goals waba benya Andre Belotti wono so kwa 2 goals Calvin Dibana ekwa 2 goals no ye reporter eba ewo dwumadi so Africa Friendly Ana Olympic Lyon bobo kwa no ada omba tena ba kuma angeso omo so entmante ene matisa etoja no Nantes omo ene stade Rennes na edisi ne aba benya stade Brasoa womo ene OG Sinis game betwende afi RCD Lons omo ene Limetopole na eba tena da yebenya Paris FC womo ni Strawberry baba na fe yenya eye oje ojel wo mu enso ene Toulouse ne ebo afi Le Havre ene Lorient ebo ni yenya AS Monaco wo mu ne met ana this year na afi yenya Olympique du Marseille ene PSG ene big game of fiction so echena down no pay yede on ko beka kwade down PSG after 4 matches no ene manyine ko 12 points and the Crom Lille they so mo abom match day 5 no wo mu 12 points wo mu toso emi no wo ba benyam Limetopole wo mu enso our 10 points wo toss me and I know AS Monaco, 119 points, Strawberry 9 points, and Sana started in it. 7 points. Abrancha the dinner at the Brala Bacola, one on a Bantina 2, France, Olidi, 3 goals. Abrantina say, Abrancha the dinner at the Frank, Magri, and so 3 goals. It's our nervous 3 goals. Whereby Abrancha the din, and so at the Air Kabai, one on 3 goals, and Sana Shakin, when you know aircraft 3 hour tea, and I am coming at Tota, I friendly can and out of panel, Yakache Kaka at the Adao.
Okay, nti yɛmfiri France na yɛntoa so Spain. Na mame fan to monim sɛ La Liga matches a weekend we eba so no match week 5. Na the ten sɛ Andra Friday Estadio de la Catuja. Yɛnya team from sɛ Real Betis fie. Wɔn hyɛ miɛnsa ɛma Real Sociedad ɛte kanu baako. Na Andra Betis game a eba so fie no player first Juan Hernandez. Wɔn ɛna hyɛ first goal ɛma team a yɛ from sɛ Real Betis ɛno akyi Brian Mendes ɛba take kan ɛma Real Sociedad ɛma Alex Romero ɛde on goal. Ever restore lead in enemy team from Real Betis and son of former West Ham United player and Pablo Fornals. Ebenya third goal enemy team. You from Real Betis. Etienne Betis of you omo 3-1. Editia Real Sociedad. Na the tense and then yami atuma. And then Saturday matches are ever so our Spanish La Liga no. The tense about 12 o'clock p.m. Your Girona omo tenefio Stadio Municipal de Montelivi. Womo and Levante enable. And when Real Madrid our Estadio Santiago Bernabeu about 2:15 p.m. Womo Espanyol after 4:30 p.m. 2 games and eba so and Saturday Spanish La Liga na Deportivo Alaves Estadio Mendizorosa womubo Sevilla na Villarreal atnafio Estadio de Ceramica na omne Osasuna game abaso and which about 7 o'clock p.m. Estadio Mestalla mame fatumo nim Valencia team ofie wom any Athletic Club de Bilbao enebo Nyankopon ya duma wachina Sunday 12 o'clock p.m. Rayo Vallecano Campo de Football de Vallecas womubo Celta de Vigo and which 2:15 p.m. Mallorca Estadio Mallorca Son Moy woman any Atletico Madrid enable na fe about 4:30 p.m. Estadio Manuel Martinez Valera mame fantu onim se Elche ofie woman Real Oviedo na fe Nyankopon ya duma wachire numere 7 o'clock p.m. team from say FC Barcelona omo trefie Estadio Johan Cruyff woman any Getafe enable na the tell say after match week 4 Spanish La Liga no team je from say Real Madrid edikan na Madrid team ekuta 100% record our 12 points. Now FC Barcelona atosumieno wom our 10 points. Espanyol tosumiensa amo 10. Betis atosunai amo 9. Afe Athletic Club Bilbao atosunum wom our 9 points. And afe Getafe team no wom atosu insia amo so our 9 points. Now the tense Pichichi top scorer. Our Spain now Okola Liga nama. Real Madrid player na fan Kylian Mbappe. One ene kan washa 4 goals and wachi Adrian Liso wa 3 goals. Perry Mela one so asha 3 Rafael Me afe Hafinha Tajon Bochnan and afe Vadat Murugi omunyina asha 3 goals apiece and anopaino yere wonsam emetifonya show no so afe quickly yem free Spain na yantoaso England na the tense over Premier League nima match week 5 and a weekend we ever so na the tense nyame admo and anopaya sheshe Anfield Merseyside derby ever so na Liverpool team fie omune Everton enable 11:30 am and anopai and a game ever so na Liverpool team nyame no kurani Premier League no wom form pa unim said this season a team from say Liverpool omo enkwane kuta 100% record Premier League na Andra manager fence and slot ne pre-match press conference ebaso no manager na ekasa for Merseyside derby and anopai ebaso no would the Liverpool manager je fence and slot.
No, when we faced them last season, they had a very good spell as well, and it wasn't a spell because they just kept on going with that. And into this season again, also, I think they made some good signings. One of them is, of course, a player on loan that was worth 100 million in the past, not maybe still, but someone paid 100 million for him, and he's doing so well for them, Jack Grealish. So good team. So looking forward to the game tomorrow because it's every Anfield game is special, but this derby is even more special.
Okay, we are the Liverpoolians. Liverpool, my manager fans Anslot, and I'm telling Cano. Now, Anslot is here fan to be him say Everton team the bono. Woman in Bopa, if last season, you only Everton share. With him say born, woman in Bo and offense. So this season, Omutin Omashamokina. Now, only the £100 million player. I'm not here fans say Jack Grealish Abba. A chance Everton for a very good team. Now, I see game be Anfield, a special minimum say a Debia, a special pa Anfield, and a Liverpool manager fans Anslot. out and at this sun 7 atuja na and watching the attention about 2 o'clock pm 4 games and a bus Premier League na Brighton and Hove Albion Everton for American Express Community Stadium and the Tottenham Hotspurs enable and watch Burnley or Turf Moor Nottingham Forest West Ham United or London Olympic Stadium and the Crystal Palace enable now for Wolverhampton Wanderers at the Millennium Stadium na Leeds United game abaso na the attention na 4:30 p.m. Old Trafford Manchester United the Red Devils Elfie any team from say the Blues of Chelsea enable na nyame aduma 4:30 game Ebasono the men second center referee Peter Banks of a video assistant referee Eko Edemo Penny first Creposen now for video assistant referee assistant no Ako Edema Dren Holmes and we penny for nyame aduma and we Eko numere wo kwa di game no Old Trafford na we dey ente Ruben Amorim wakasa bebre manager na first Ruben Amorim ono and manager Edema Manchester United na wasi edu bia na United players omo ye naive yente United manager Ruben Amorim.
The way we suffer the goals, we can avoid that. We are being naive. We need to be more aggressive in order to win games. We just have to maintain to play the way we are playing, but improving on the opponent's box in our box. That was the focus of the week, especially if you play against Chelsea. That is the team that when he crosses, he has more guys inside the box. And we suffer a little bit against Fulham, and we work a lot during the week to be better on that.
Okay, the Red Devils of Manchester United, my manager say, Ruben Amorim. My manager say Ruben Amorim, and I want to say Okasano. Na Amorim dian kumano wadi bebre baso na the opposite number the Blues of Chelsea manager. Jeffan say Enzo Maresca. Na Maresca say opinion fan say Ruben Amorim oni niye pa ni days from Sporting CP. Eba Manchester United when say manager no we good manager ne mum eno man share fire. And from Manchester United we Chelsea. One manager fan say Enzo Maresca.
The only thing I can say that I really appreciate Ruben. I watch Ruben games since he was in Sporting. He's magnific manager. Like all the manager, when you start a new project, sometimes you can struggle a little bit more, a little bit less, but at the end you're gonna struggle. But I don't have any doubt that it's a fantastic manager. I think it's always difficult to play United away in their stadium, Old Trafford. So I don't think that now is the right moment, or next year will be the right moment, or last year was the right moment. It's always difficult.
Okay, Chelsea manager fan say Enzo Maresca and out ten kana what Maresca say oh you know and some 20 baku ebusan say anya bi an we no at right time say mo Manchester United san say wo bi agidi e pass United money bon from Chelsea upper and I say Chelsea slow at the Manchester United na utie Enzo Maresca was say enfonsa esan say the last time a team from say Chelsea wo share Manchester United Premier League way back 2013 now say 12 years ago and United wo mulusu fear team from say Chelsea na say ache year pa enti emfa say last year and I said this year and Chelsea ebetima she team je from say Manchester United ogidi pass game no dey ending and no Chelsea manager je from say Enzo Maresca kakra di tu join no pay no ye dey won some emetefo nyina show no so na dey ten say next Saturday about 7 o'clock pm your team from say Fulham omo tenafie Craven Cottage omo ba Brentford nyankopon aduma wo china Sunday 1 o'clock pm 2 games and about Premier League na Bournemouth Vitality Stadium when any Newcastle United enable na for Sunderland at the Stadium of Light na omane Aston Villa game abaso afi ochina 3:30 p.m. the Gunners Arsenal elfie when any the Sky Blues of Man City enable na obekia last season game abaso between Arsenal and a team from Manchester City Emirates no Arsenal game by 5 goals to 1 na one year pa na odie gentie Mikel Arteta wono and manager any team from Arsenal na manager na say Arsenal team no on person more consistent et game bia on person more win and wachi wo Pep Guardiola boso we Arsenal one manager first Mikel Arteta.
It's about winning again and creating another good moment for us. Consistency, competing against one of the best teams, obviously, in the world, and good test for us to see our level as well. Well, yeah, the demands that he puts, first of all, on himself, the standards that he requires for everybody around him, his will to win, to evolve, to improve. You look around him always, he wants to surrender about the best people. For me, he's by far the best coach in the world. I always said it. I had the pleasure to work.
Okay, Mikel Arteta manager Adama team from say Arsenal and our tenant can say Walkersana and original Pep Guardiola one and manager Adama the Sky Blues of Man City na manager no so akasa would you enter Pep remember be chechem e kwa Pep Guardiola e fan so aye ne press conference would you enter Man City manager no
Sir Alex Ferguson, when I arrived here, to Brian Keith, said, the Premier League, you have to, after Boxing Day, stay close to the top 4. After that, you can think about it. Last season, after Boxing Day, we were in another country. So that's why go today, we'll see what happens. So there are many games. For experience, the 6 Premier Leagues, I think 4 or 5, we were in December, January, was behind Liverpool and behind Arsenal. And at the end, we won it. So that's why see the team growing up. That is all my concern right now. See the team make a step forward every day. We're not going to win the Premier League.
Okay, the Sky Blues of Man City manager first Pep Guardiola, and I will take Guardiola and Casa Ocasana. Guardiola say, one of time when you're England, Kulano, former Manchester United, a manager first Sir Alex Ferguson, and maybe we're catching assistant manager first Branke de say Premier League no, Ubetima, what the young to was here, Yako Boxing Day, December, Eddie Rum, January, Aqua Fibrino, I was say we stay close to the top 4, a hot NHS Ubetima Premier League no, Eddie Sim Nelson, and Yamia do what you can. Ebasono say team from say Man City omulusu edema Arsenal anase omulusu kra eno ankyere say team from say Man City wo meje Premier League anase omuntimenje eno ay Pep Guardiola nsem kakra andra gode tu twana no paniere wonsem ematiefo nyina e o show no so na mamemfa tuma nim say team from say Liverpool wo mo na lead the Premier League table no na omo 12 points Arsenal tosumie no wo mo 9 points after Tottenham Hotspur wo mo tosumie say omo 9 Bournemouth etoso and 9 omo 9 after Chelsea 8 omo tosunum na Tens top scorers Premier League no Manchester City striker na fans Ellen Brut Haaland was 5 goals and which Anton Semenyo and Victor Gyökeres women na asha 3 goals Ubenya Brennan Johnson Chris Wood Hugo Ekitike afa Ilman Ndiaye Ismail Anasa Ismail Sa Jonah Anasa Blantia fans Jadon Anthony and Joao Pedro women na asha 2 goals apiece and anopeno yet update MT for na el show no so
well so na ya twazo na fans when 7 yet me ADB Abama Makato say yeso no live on YouTube and aye Nhyira TV nti wokwa na fe wanya so ni bia hwe na atimi aye kama na UEFA no pay wo mo de nkoma kakra de aba wo mo tesa wo mo de wo mo 11 and answer team of the week no enya ba na arope na me anim ni ma hemudi Chelsea player bi anka ho na da mi sen kofoi ade o mu ye kamia se enkofo na nyanya ezan Chelsea head am on homodin enti player ba kokra pim na goalkeeper mo de na dam no Olympic so omo goalkeeper di di ayeguli ono no omo di ni twimo afi etire ho omo boss Sylvain Plaha omo player ni din enso adi embody ono aye Senegal ni anafi omo enso ebo Avio Van Dijk from Liverpool omo ba Branton di Lucasen wono si akada ma perfect bobo kono anafa Branton di adi Lorente wono ya Atletico Madrid player afi animo sano omo Teto Masemo eba Branton di enso edi Venaken wono si akan adi ma club bridge ano mo bo Marcus Rashford enso e won FIFA sa afro mo ba Branton di edi Becao wono si akan ma Korabek ano Fetrincao e was Sporting CP wono bo Harry Kane e we animo na fe Marcus Thuram for Inter I Milan bobo kwenti where players are UEFA as a team of the week no wono do mo so complete na no pe no e dey on koba kakra e dey na with him Champions League no your players are omo winning matches do e wo UEFA Champions League matches mo na unim say na no da goalkeeper Manono ya wababeka players are omo enso winning 100 matches na say no mo table no esitie nanka first 5 but I know say Manono ya enya piem nti e be the first 6 enso e dia mamo player wa winning UEFA Champions League matches do pano aya Branton de Cristiano Ronaldo 115 matches ana Branton a winning afa Muller Thomas Muller a winning 111 ana Fake Casillas 101 ana nano da Manono ya ababenya 100 aya wins the any career Leo Messi are winning 95 and after Toni Kroos and so winning 95 in T and here players are banning UEFA Champions League yaka so minim ni bon omo weni a omo so nkoma kakra ana media down na omo he football swi answer omo kwatena sia na omo de se kakra ba omo ye yam quarters omo so ball no cry fa va enfam na me ye so ye va yi ba omo kwatena omo so goal line technology na no so omo de aba and weti any semi automated offside say machine na no so mo de aba sisi de omo ba be hwe mudi sa tro na yakwa ene Manchester fo ene omo ba ya de pressure omo so a tro ye omo kofa boy a so omo ba beto boy na sim ne nya bia bo ha omo nya ne se o player ba ko tro yin ba ko be gina on sa ko be 2 minutes na kwa be nya tro sisi no football fo so omo ba be hwem tam no ba be te so ene se ko ba se tro yin no u be gina che ansa no wato aba na be take some minute bia e bia se e fa no mba ju o se ne e card no me de ba ma wan pato e no yan komo mudi se tro yin time limit no e no so de ba se ne be time waste no e no so atuo betimi atwa e no ye reporter etodwa e wodumade so bisia amfo me hello Madrid Chelsea player ya ni mirika tuoi ya sisa wa na adu se 2028 e ne okọ Los Angeles akwablo Olympic Games no wozo ko tumirika o minim se 100 meters no beko se 200 meters o enum a Chelsea player na saying that e ba so okọ ye doping amatesa ba sabe eno ya ba ne se yamfa mobo no omususu se ebi anso wa ne widiem enti eno ye Ukrainian brante koba evina kati edi eba na Radman Falcao Kofi Garcia ana wadin koba kaka edi abakwa bra Falcao se wono nanka Madrid eye wia de papa na abranta na me ye hu kwan asa yes Madrid for mo faso asai eye big stars no na yes Fiorentino Perez kwabna yes baby eye oye ne signings the pa yes bia award bi eba so ne se Ballon d'Or beba su okobia yes handkerchief ekura ne botom ana se he ne botom fita oba ya pepe na wayi di ato ho ode to a no wa tire bibi di aguso no aka to se fa ubebie ma aso akwa so dem na so for bom paye egu handkerchief so di ama kwa na ubebie na ewom. Do you want to play for Madrid? I am outside the gate waiting for you. Yes, no, that's a was when you want. Naja was what question, baby. I watch as a besan of a pepe. No, Falcao was say, a bit on what Galabiase. Also, no, who so run Kunta. Papa Naba, handkerchief, no idea to her. What the 2 hour pepe or Hemuno, not as so besides so person, Sakai, and my Madida, or Mupoa, or Gate or Mana, or try not as a winning cover. Or this time, I know the idea about Tono. Who call it Chico Madida, or Penyani, the Rafa Elike, one Nana. Ono sum kasama for Edmo Mokabra was say no papa ni hwe ni din sa ono so nim star na Fiorentino Perez say enti was so the two no catches no men fa de no he say wo be fa de no enti was so satam no nyan ya na ko the Fiorentino Perez be kwa kodi nkomo ana face so satam so na ni team enso monitoring team asa sabe wakodi bone na ohu dia onye enti okama obi ata say ekaketwa bi anka de bobo kona kokwa kosi akan enso de mama na reporter ba na Lionel Messi ko baka kwa mete corner essence no woni na di nkomo on new deal on Inter Miami boboko no enso be bram yasin komo de da kaketwa be na chese wo mo nso ahwa no reporter efa brand na katide bampa jo Harry Maguire obi ankasa asem Harry Maguire na be kasa asem we Harry Maguire se coach in system na ye pa players na ntiase wonu asay simple system onu se what as simple kra amorim system but Harry Maguire se ne bonya den just say mo ye a little bit different from the club bia kakenti down to the players so better system na say Antonio who's a system now mo win bond the problem bia nim no Harry Maguire go back according to ja we dwumade so na ano ne ko bisa mo win man kasa say na wo system yi wo best na na say yenya ne no so me system dey no was the system dey say na time bia waka no no you responsible for the system no was the system no dey eno na man football the football and so some mo system dey na the system no na impo sabio so popo club ka chance on say the system no on sanda na just go so nyame enti ere dey amowi me dey eba odwumade so and e bisa say na sani aye Manchester and ya uncho ho no so what's mente na no do mo ma me contract o say do cliff na no dem hit ya one me ya no wa ma me contract just say me hwem ne ma he project no and e bisa say na project no betimi na say Manchester United did ye pass project no mo ye no ono mo wim and obetimi aye project na dia mo nti ono eguso ne Manchester United edi nkoma say ade so ba he no so atimi assign contract no and e bisa say Garnacho ba na obey kwan be na be fa so be stop no so no onyu player ho ni team no focus ho kwan be fa so obetimi enso bo ye na say player bia ya ade and ye nya ade say na asem na opponent kompo de onkodu ni player ho nya de one day the all so be focus na fe wetimi awini against Chelsea and e nkoma kakwa ye toja e woduma de so enso mo aska kobisa sa akoda no be start na say Garnacho start and also say Garnacho be start so mu bisa Brent na nkasa no mo say why ready saying na ofili say against Manchester United ni parent club no obetimi ni omabo na say bia want to be enso any ombo no ana tezo betimi decide ansana wo me start no mo so etimi start no eno reporter baba kwabna ye ko Chelsea wo mu nkata ayo mo de babo nti made wan say ya o mo ye Flyers ye so Garnacho na da so na that means na oba start game enso ediama Chelsea bobo kwara ni reporter to twa wo adwumade so
okay nti ye free Chelsea na yanto aso na fe ye first stories ne bi ematiefo nyina show no so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na ye ko Liverpool na on said this is Liverpool team no bo mu ye team a omotan hye last minute goal na Andra manager first Anslot ne pre-match press conference a eba so no ensentweni ba ko ekobusa Anslot say o Liverpool team na say come here say we win game a last minute goal and mo hye ansa na Liverpool team no atima win matches na Anslot say amfa to obi anim say omo e concern omo ye pa na omo guso omo din kon e wa kire wom adwen ho e kwa Liverpool team no wom be fa so win matches na wom independent our last minute goals na ogidi e pa say ye start game na say we show 2-0 e ho hia say ye be wie game na we be pre ho na wanya goal bia dia win game no enti ogidi e pa say team from say Liverpool wom bo say said omo bona mentally and physically e bia yendu league ni fifi na omo bre enti omo guso omo ye ho adwuma e no e yo pani offense Anslot kakra odi tuja e na no payere wonsem ematiefo nyina e show no so afa yenko team from say FC Barcelona na mame Barca omo sporting director wo pani offense Anderson de Sousa ye dodo na fa ne Deco wono na sporting director e ma team from say FC Barcelona na say Barca for I say omo players na bon omo ni bo na omo ye important players e ma team ye from say Barca no wo mo extend obi a contract e de ma no na say player edu no so e brand offense Frankie Dion na Frankie Dion de nyame nkurani akwa ne ball pa na no e St James Park woni Pedri ball ni nyenze eti Barca for ni gidi e pass omo team no say e be ye kama e was almost stand around offense Frankie Dion contract e de ma no na Andra Deco e interview na sin ebusan say around offense Frankie Dion anya bia no dabai e na mo extend the contract e de ma no na according to Barca sporting director Deco was say ye fa to obi anim say enkomodie no e ko kama na ogidi e pass enchombe rich agreement omo ne around offense Frankie Dion na Frankie Dion oba Barca around na ni Japan eti obeste won ko bia contract ni obeste e de ma Barca eno e Deco kakra di tuja on abrantia je France Frankie Dion na no pay no yere wonsem ematiefo nyina e show no so eno achi abrantia France Robert Lewandowski wono so enchana no contract e bena we e team je from say FC Barcelona na Deco say yemfa to obi anim say Lewandowski die ne die em say situation is different esan say Lewandowski aside say we important player e ma team je from say FC Barcelona no ni age no e osoro make say Robert Lewandowski when you 37 years eti according to Deco was say yemfa to obi anim say e be depend on Abrante first Robert Lewandowski go finish a born also bo e ma Barca say o desire say o sinaka e ma Barca and the omo contract na say Robert Lewandowski contract on many year after year e dey ma no enti say bia this year obo na ne money bo so ania no man standing contract 1 year e dey ma no and no ayo penny first Deco Andra on Robert Lewandowski and on the Sansem atuja now on say Barca any team from say Villarreal yeri can be store e dey ma say go La Liga game e ba so on person game no wo mo bon Hard Rock Stadium Miami United States of America na sagima be ba so on say ama speculations as I say eba ebi mu gidi e pan say edi enti na league game e wo say yakobo no obi man so na Andra Deco say yemfa to obi anim say we enya de nwa akra esa say yenya Spanish Super Cup game yakobo bi Saudi Arabia eti we enya anything different na e wo man say we La Liga game na oya we pan say you supporters ni bua enko ombenya nka game e wo say bonus Spain nemom ogidi e pass say football apart from bona ye ball pitch no sika sem so asabam enti also mkopeska enti wondi wotimi nka hwe nemom de besi bia no woni obia ya adwen eno e Deco kakra de atu dwana no peyere wonsem ematiefo nyina e o show no so na Deco say we Barca supporter Jemfratu onim say mu coach na fene say Flake we modern day coach na coach ni woni madwuma pa omunim coach no since the days of Bayern Munich and wachi okwa German national team omum study no eti manager na there obi an say go attacking football with different philosophy the philosophy no e good and abuama Barca ekoso eti Deco gidi e pa say opinion France Flake dey am say go betena be say 10 years so we boni see there oni ba bia ko eno Barca Sporting Director first Deco and at the San Samuel to Janano Pino. Yet one some Emma Teofuna El Shonoso. Now Pedro Gonzalez Lopez. Do not find Pedri. Hey, Bo Penny. When in Bobopa, now Pedri Andra. What interview Pedri say? Young for two BNM says, Uti TV. Now Ocean Liverpool, almost central defender Van Dijk, who said, or abroad, was soon. Uti is an attacking Ebeya. No one said, only Jana pitch, no so airbody, Jai, why a big was soon by Trewa, Nebon only the boy Ayapa. Now, or sit Nations League game a battle between Spain and Africa, Omaya from the Netherlands, no say Ampa, I ran to first Virgil van Dijk and Kofokase, where best defender no born when in Bopa. Now, or sending Kia, and Unti, and a ma only a brand fans. Virgil van Dijk eboba eyana eyano eno Pedri kaka ensam kakra goria to join no pay wonsam ema tiafo nya e show no so na yese okola liga no ma yese Barca fo no em say academy boys now esan say Barca yese La Liga no omu register 23 players na 23 players a team ya from say Barca e register no emu 13 every La Masia e che say Barca fo no omu moka o omu fa enkura ni free asiona wo matete omu no be adwuma kama eno achi ukwa Real Madrid 25 players omu register no emu 18 foreigners na say Madrid fo no tona na also moto enti academy fanya we eno kakra efu be na no payere won se matiefo nya el show no so na migusu awa Real Madrid say mandefo no GDA pass omo central defense wono em say players no omo tepra enti also omo recruitment nyame ya duma 2026 summer na player ba ko mandefo no edi na chipa Arsenal omo central defender na fa William Saliba na mandefo no GDA pass omo nya Saliba bibia ma kama edi amom eno achi Saliba according to mandefo no omo say o suit omo transfer policy esan boy or a highly experienced and which or 24 years I just say the age no from Etomunya Saliba gomo pen and which Abrante Fansa Ibrahima Konate one so rema de phone any to Omunya Abrante Fansa Ibrahima Konata bibia be kama ade moment no pere wonsem e matiofonya el shons na Richard yedi besinemum de ten say mandefo no omumani Jefansa Gabi Alonso ese Yamfatu Vinicius Junior and Rodrigo goes and him say sa left wing position no enye obi adea. Hey, Mbappe ma unu ya mrepa o. Enye izo we say best last 2 seasons. Na ye kind of best player we ase a. Na e Abrante a the fans Vinicius Junior. Nemom Gabi Alonso say Vinicius Junior say nemo de bona ba form until left wing go no. Ontimi enfama no. Ontimi guarantee say on never bo.
Ba say o andi ujitum say Vinicius Junior what they perform so unim.
No form the what they
nti I mean e be right say we coach a ono any Rodrigo no be mo machabo
sir
yeah is it Vinicius wa ba form
but say o yana say the form the body because obi obo no oba mo obi an so bo no ni bo nti the form na ba form
no e be so na team there if you say okay the position no as a was cement no
and the bonify property
ne di anti so onya de kra e dia ono an e be manabo but so man competition a we so okay now the position na first me feel say my cement enye me dia bi I need to fight that.
I say ideally the position I want Mbappe ball.
Sure.
And so
and as I say Mbappe no ball now ball.
And Mbappe no. Let me say o matunefo. Say I say Ronaldo no or winger.
Yeah.
And o convert ba center forward. And o money ne kasa na why na be say 9 obebo no. O ball 9 so of course will deliver. And Mbappe no to say left wing go kra de o nya de odwu bi mu. But me ade ba ko ham ne say Vinicius Junior I'm so about 24 years. And I Rodrigo about 23. So what I say? And he will be all 24 years. Now the last 2 seasons, one of our best player. Now Okasa will be check on a minute. I'm a Rodrigo. Ebasa Debbie.
You see, I'm even can't be because of say. Sometimes you're fair to the coaches. How many players in a training? What I say? There are certain issues and information I mean no yet here. You're privy to. So until yama coach know the benefit of the doubt. Na onyene juma. So onyene juma na.
But question marks the best as yaba. Abra mama ko yima Madrid.
And say coach na sem. Okay. Coach you know. It said you to chacha wo. E fa ye bebo aba so am fa ye bebo achi. What I say? Decision now I take it and say fa obi abebo na ba so. Am fan so ahead ya. When say am for be kan wa senti. And yedase one Abrante friend say Gabi the foreigner